guys, welcome back to Style with Harriet. I hope you guys are doing well as usual. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. My name is Harriet. Today's video is a wig art tutorial. So I'll be using the baseball hat to make a wig for you guys. So if you are someone who like wearing a baseball hat like me, then sit back and watch. I'm just showing you guys all the items that I use for this tutorial. So make sure you watch it very well so you can get the items for yourself if you wish to make this kind of wig. Most of the items, I believe you can get them from your local beauty supply stores, or you can order them from Amazon. I did get my dome head from Amazon, and I got the glue gun from Amazon as well. And right now guys, I'm just putting the hat, the baseball hat, on the dome head, but I did turn it inside out because that's how you're supposed to do it. Because if you don't do that, then you'll be gluing on the right side, and you're not supposed to glue on the right side of the hat. So just take a look and see what I'm doing. And right now I will be securing the hat to the dome head with a T-pins just to make it secured. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. So for the extension that I'll be using for this tutorial is an expression product, and it's called Super Mirror. It's in the color one. It's a jet black, and that's what I like. So I'm just taking it right now, and I'll be unraveling it, and I'll just fluff it as well. So just watch what I'm doing. But guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. In that way you get notified of my new videos. And don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video, and then share with your friends and families. So guys, I'm just fluffing out the extension, and I'll be measuring out the desired length, and then I'll just cut it. So watch, is kind of self-explanatory, but I'll talk you guys through. So I'm just measuring so I don't end up cutting excess ribbon. So right now I'm just taking my glue gun, and one thing, you have to heat your glue stick so it will get very hot, and you have to be careful with this guys, because the glue stick can be very hot. So now I'm just going to glue the extension to the cap, and I'm starting from the bottom. Just watch what I'm doing. And another thing, if you put the glue on the weft, just make sure that you're placing it on the cap. Just have to press it a bit, maybe for about 2 to 3 seconds, just to allow it time to stay, although it dries very fast. And I don't know, some people like to use a bonding glue, or some people like to sew. So if you want to sew yours with needle and thread, I think you can do that as well. Or if you want to use your bonding glue, you can use it, but for this video I just prefer using this glue gun because it dries faster and it's quicker. But the only downside is it can get very hot, so just be aware of that. So I'm taking the second piece and I'm just going to align it with the first one, just to give it that fuller effect. Because if you notice, this baseball hat has like a cut around the back, but guys, if you want to make this style, you can also get a baseball hat that doesn't have that cut, but this was the one I saw in the shop, so that was why I got this. But if you have the other one without the opening, I think that's more easier to glue the weft to, so that's more easier. But I'll show you guys how to go around that bit. So as you can see, I just glued it down to that place, and I had to just cut the weft because there's no way I can go straight across. If I go straight across, then that weft will be visible. So right now, you guys should watch thoroughly. I'm going to secure this part to the cap. So I will just curve it according to the way that hole is. So I will just curve it along that cut. So right now I decide to just put the glue around it rather than putting the glue on the weft, because I think that way might be easier for me. But you can still put the glue to your weft if you so desire. So just do whatever you think is more comfortable for you. So I'm just curving it along the cut, as you can see, and gradually just pressing it down. And I'm doing the same to this other side. So if not for that cut, I would have just gone like straight from one end to the other, but because of the cut, then I just have to work my way around it. So I've done the first bit, but I'm going to glue a second one to it so that it can give me the kind of coverage I wanted. Like I said, make sure you press it for like 2 to 3 seconds so it doesn't come out. In that way, it will just stay and just dry up there. So I'm taking the second one and I'll do the same. The glue can be sticky at times, but don't worry, it doesn't actually mess up your clothes. So even though it's stuck to your hand, it can easily be taken off when it is dried, so don't worry about that. So right now I'll be going across from one end to the other, and that's basically what I'll be doing to the rest part of it. And guys, we are nearly done. So if you have any occasion you want to go to, or you just want to go, like you're just going to the shop on an errand, or you're just out and about and your hair is messy, you know, you can just get yourself a baseball hat, and you can even use any of your old weave-ins that you've used before, so you don't need to buy yourself a new one. You can use any of your old one, and basically you just do what I'm doing, and voila, that's it. You can have your hair cornrow to the back, or you can just wear like a wig cap just to slick your head down, and then you put your baseball hat and off you go. You just look all glammed up and all put together. So guys, this is a very simple way to do it. It's beginners friendly. I think there are no serious technical skills here, so it's what you can do, and I believe you guys will try it out. I have so many videos like on quick hair for beginners, how to style your natural hair, and so on and so forth. So if you guys want to see more of this kind of content, let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys have any suggestion, or if you have anything you want me to try out for you, or you want me to do, also leave me a comment down below, and I will try to do whatever you guys want for you people. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And you guys can see this is the finished look. So now we're just going to turn it to the right side, and guys, look how full that is. This is a synthetic wig, you know. The extension is a synthetic one, but it's very good. You can see the coils, they are all full and bouncy. And yes guys, I'm just popping the hat on my head, and tell me, how do you guys see that? From bold to this, just within a twinkle of an eye. This tutorial is very easy. It won't take much of your time. It's even less than half an hour. So guys, I hope you will try this out, and look at how that hair is. Look at how I'm just feeling myself in this baseball hat wig. I really like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.